Hello everyone, my dear student. Today we are going to solve this question. The question is solve the following system of equations using cross multiplication method. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Another one equation is 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So there is two equation already we have solved last time. You can see the last videos. We have used three methods for finding the x value and y value. First of all, we have used that one is called substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. So in this question they have already mentioned that one we have to use by cross multiplication method. For solving this question, we have to use this formula. This is the main formula. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now what is this a1 b1 c1? There is two equation. In case of the first equation, we have to think like that: a1x plus b2y plus c1 equal to 0. We can, this part, we have to compare these two: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the two equation, and with these two equation we have to compare this one. a1x there is nothing, so instead of a1 there will be, the value will be 1. Then plus is plus, then b1y, so b1 value how much? Here is 2y, so 2 will be the b1 value. Then c1 plus c1 means constant, that is c1 equal to 1. Similarly a2x means 2x, so 2 will be the value of a2. Then plus b2y, but here is minus 3y, so we have to ignore this minus symbol, that should be plus, so we can put minus 3 means b2 value. Then plus c2, there is again minus symbol, so c2 value will be again minus 12. Like that we got the value a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Then by cross multiplication method we can write down that formula. Last time we have solved: x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we can go for next step. So x is x, then b1 c2, what is b1? b1 value is 2, you can write here 2. Then b1 c2 value how much? There is the c2 value, so minus 12. This bracket symbol means we can understand this is multiplication symbol. Then minus is minus. Then b2 c1, what is b2 value? b2 value is minus 3, so we can write down here minus 3. Then b2 c1 means what? 1, so 1 means multiplying by 1. This is equal to, we can go for the next one, y divided by c1 a2, c1 value how much? 1, c1 into a2 value how much? Look, a2 is 2, so we can write down here 2. Then minus is minus. Then c2 a1, c2 means how much? minus 12. Then c2 into a1 means how much? 1. c2 into a1. This is equal to, we can go Next one, 1 divided by a1 b2. A1 value how much? 1. Then b2 value how much? -3. For this minus symbol, minus a2 into b1. A2 value how much? 2 into b1 value how much? Look at the b1. B1 is again 2. So like that we can look the these values, then we can put the values, then we can see what the result will come out for the next step. So we can go for the next one. X is x, minus 2 minus 12 into 2 minus 24, minus is minus, for this minus, and for this -3, -3 into minus, it means plus, then 3 into 1, it means 3, this is equal to y is y, then 1 into 2, 2, minus 12 and minus a plus 12 into 1, 12, this is equal to 1 is 1, 1 into -3, 2 into 2, 4. Again we can go for the next step. X divided by -24 plus 3, how much? -21. This is equal to y divided by 2 plus 12, how much? 14. This is equal to 1 divided by -3 and -4, minus a plus, it means -7. It means we got the two part. This part is totally constant, 1 divided by -7, and this part x divided by, there is a x term and there is a y term, but this part is totally constant, there is no xy values. So we can compare x term equal to this one. Again we can compare y divided by 14 equal to this one. So we can divide it two part like that. X divided by -21 equal to 1 by -7, and another one part, this equal to this one, we can y divided by 14 equal to 1 divided by -7. It means we are getting this two part. After that, what we can do, we can see this part and this part. Since I don't have space, so I am going this part. You can go down in your main copy, since I don't have more space at the downside. So x divided by -21 and -7. So both denominator part, there is a minus symbol, so minus we can ignore. Then what is there? 21. What is there? 7. So 7 and 21 both are denominator. So if you divide 21 by 7, then what is the result? 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 3, 21. So like that it will come x divided by 3 equal to 1, because 1, 7 is dividing 7, 7 3s are 21, minus cancel. So what is remain? Only 3. So this 3 is, and right side what is remain? Only 1. So x divided by 3 equal to 1. And this part also same, 7 into 2, 7 2s are 14, but there is a minus symbol. So we can, this minus we can write right side also, left side also. So we can write down y divided by 2, y divided 7 2s are 14, 14 divided by 7, it means here will come 2. So y divided by 2, but there is a minus symbol, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 1, minus 1. Then x equal to 3 by cross multiplication, 3 into 1, 3, and y equal to 2 into 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Therefore x equal to 3 comma y equal to minus 2. This will be the final answer. So in this problem, if you can understand, then this part no need to write. This part no need to write. First of all, you write down these two equations, then you write down by cross multiplication method, then you go this part like that, and this part also no need to write. This is only for you understanding. I was trying to help you like that. This part also not necessary. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to write down these two equations, then we have to compare with these two equations, a1x plus b1 plus c1 equal to 0, another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. By comparing these two equations, we are getting the value a1, b1, c1. Then we can go for by cross multiplication method, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then x divided by, we are putting the values, and after putting the values we are doing calculation, and here is the important part, x divided by minus 21 equal to 1 divided by minus 7. So minus 21 and minus 7 both are denominator and having minus symbol, so we can ignore this minus symbol. Then 21 divided by 7 means 3, that's why here x divided by 3, and 7 is coming for division, then only 1 remain, that's why x by 3 equal to 1, and 1 by y by 2 equal to minus 1. How come? Y by 14 equal to 1 by minus 7, it means 7 2s are 14, that's why 1 y by 2, but there was a minus symbol, that's why minus 1. So by cross multiplication method, 3 into 1, 3, and y equal to, what we can write, y equal to y equal to 2 into minus 1, it means we can write minus 2. So x equal to 3 comma y equal to minus 2 is the final answer. So thank you all of you. Bye.